Welcome to Nova Models, your dedicated platform for showcasing the journeys of remarkable women redefining beauty, confidence, and influence in the fashion and digital world. Today, we present a detailed biography of Carolina Pineda, the Mexican model, Instagram personality, and TikTok content creator, whose stylish fashion posts, modeling visuals, and engaging presence have built a growing audience through consistent and authentic self-expression. Born in Mexico, Carolina Pineda began her social media journey by launching her Instagram account in 2023 under the handle @PinedaC616. She focuses on sharing selfies, chic outfit combinations, and professional modeling content that highlights her sense of style and natural appeal. Her posts often feature elegant looks, such as casual yet fashionable ensembles like t-shirts paired with leggings, emphasizing a polished and approachable aesthetic that resonates with followers seeking relatable glamour. On TikTok, Carolina creates POV-style videos, lip-sync performances, fashion outfit showcases, and other creative clips that blend entertainment with personal flair. Her content reflects a genuine interest in beauty, fashion, and self-presentation, allowing her to connect with viewers through dynamic and varied formats. With over 90,000 followers on Instagram, she maintains steady engagement by posting high-quality images and videos that celebrate individual style without heavy reliance on trends. Carolina's approach prioritizes authenticity. She shares moments that feel personal and unforced, encouraging appreciation for everyday confidence and creative expression. As a model and digital creator, she contributes to the conversation on inclusive representation by demonstrating how consistent dedication to one's aesthetic can foster meaningful connections in the online space. Her emerging career illustrates the value of starting with focused, heartfelt content and allowing natural growth to define one's influence in fashion and social media. Thank you for watching Nova Models. If Carolina Pineda's story of stylish authenticity and confident presence resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more inspiring biographies, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We would appreciate your suggestions on whose journey to feature next. Stay confident, stay inspired.